If you use a 100x objective, you know the mess it can make. Oil can get all over the stage, the other objectives, you can forget to clean the objectives off, leading to costly repairs. There are two solutions. One is a 100x dry objective. A 100x dry objective requires no oil whatsoever, but has a trade-off of lower resolution. The best option is a 100x water objective. Instead of oil, you apply a drop of water to your slide. It allows for higher resolution than a dry objective, but not quite as high as a 100x oil objective. But if you find yourself having to replace objectives or the mess is unmanageable, it might be a good idea to switch to a 100x water immersion objective. We can put this objective on many microscopes. So if you have a microscope and you want to put a 100x water immersion or dry objective on it, contact us. We'll let you know if it's possible.